This isn't just a 1969 Chevelle, this is a 454 powered street monster hiding behind an SS badge, and the moment you hear it fire up, you'll understand why this car doesn't just turn heads, it dominates the street. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today you're about to witness one of the most aggressive, head-turning, street-dominating muscle cars ever reborn. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute, but don't let the Tribute name fool you for even a second, because what you're looking at right here is not just a clone. This is a fully built, big block powered street monster that delivers more raw attitude than most original SS cars ever could. Finished in a deep, rich burgundy, this Chevelle doesn't just show up, it commands attention. The moment light hits that paint, you see the curves, the aggression, the unmistakable Coke bottle body lines that made the 69 Chevelle one of the most iconic shapes in American muscle history. This is the golden era of horsepower, and this car represents it perfectly. But let's get to what really matters, because under the hood is where things get serious. Instead of the original 396, this beast is packing a massive 454 cubic inch big block V8, and if you know muscle cars, you already know that's a serious upgrade. We're talking about brutal torque, instant throttle response, and that deep, thunderous exhaust note that shakes the ground when it idles. Now pair that with a high-rise intake and a 4-barrel carburetor, and what you get is even more airflow, more fuel delivery, and more raw power being unleashed every time you hit the gas. This isn't just a cruiser, this is a car that demands respect. And it gets even better. Backing that big block is a 3-speed automatic transmission, but not just any automatic. This one is equipped with a manual valve body, which means you control every single shift. No computer, no hesitation, just pure mechanical connection between you and the machine. It's the kind of setup you'd expect in a drag car, and it completely transforms the driving experience. Power is sent to a heavy-duty 12-bolt rear axle loaded with aggressive 4.56 gears. Now, let me tell you, those gears are no joke. This car is built to launch hard. The moment you hit the throttle, it wants to leap forward like it's been unleashed from a cage. It's fast, it's violent, and it's absolutely addictive. Of course, with all that power, you need control, and this Chevelle delivers. Up front, you've got power disc brakes giving you solid stopping performance, while the rear drums keep things true to the classic setup. Add in power steering, and suddenly this big muscular machine becomes surprisingly manageable, even with all that weight and torque up front. Now step inside and the story continues. You're greeted by a beautifully restored black vinyl interior done in a factory correct style that keeps the classic vibe alive. The split bench seat up front and full bench in the rear remind you exactly what era this car comes from, when muscle cars were built to be driven, enjoyed, and shared. But there are subtle upgrades here that make a big difference. Down on the floor sits a legendary Hurst shifter, an absolute must-have for any serious muscle build. It's not just functional, it's iconic. Every shift feels deliberate, mechanical, and deeply satisfying. And right in your line of sight, you've got a tachometer and auxiliary gauges giving you real-time performance data. Oil pressure, RPMs, engine vitals, it's all there, adding both style and purpose to the cabin. Even the upgraded radio brings a touch of modern convenience without taking away from the car's classic identity. This is the perfect balance between old school muscle and smart upgrades. Now let's talk about presence, because this Chevelle doesn't just perform, it makes a statement. The stance, the color, the sound, everything about it tells you this car was built with intention. It's the kind of machine that draws a crowd at every gas station, every car show, every red light. And here's the best part. At a price of $43,995, this car delivers an insane amount of value. You're getting the look of a legendary SS 396, the power of a 454 big block, and a driving experience that's raw, engaging, and unforgettable, without stepping into six-figure territory. Sure, it's not a numbers-matching, factory original SS, but honestly, that's not what this car is about. This is about power, this is about turning the key, hearing that engine roar to life, and feeling something modern cars just can't replicate. So if you're looking for a muscle car that combines classic styling, upgraded performance, and pure street presence, this 1969 Chevelle SS 396 Tribute might just be the perfect machine for you. And trust me, once you drive it, there's no going back. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments, would you take this over a real SS? I'll see you in the next one, where we bring you more legends, more power, and more machines that define what driving is really all about.